Hello and welcome to today's lesson, comparing fractions. So I will be explaining to you how we do the comparing of fractions. Okay, so which is greater, 5 over 8 or 1 and 3 over 8? But if you remember last year, this is a mixed fraction because we have a whole number and the fraction. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts of the 8. So if we count them all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but we only have 5. So 5 over 8. Okay, but here we have 1 and 3 over 8. So here is the 1 because we have all 8 pieces. So that makes one whole piece. And then we have 3, 1, 2, 3 pieces of another group of 8. So we write 1 for the whole piece and 3 over 8 for this piece. So 5 over 8 is smaller than 1. Okay, so 1 whole is 8 over 8. But 5 is smaller than 8. So we have 5 over 8. So it's a smaller fraction. So 1 and 3/8 has a whole number that is 1. So this 5/8 must be smaller than 1 and 3/8. So 5 over 8 is smaller than 1 and 3 over 8. It is written as 5 over 8, lesser than or smaller than 1 and 3 over 8. Or we could write it as 1 and 3 over 8 is greater. Greater is bigger than 5 over 8. And with the maths we write it is written as 1 and 3 over 8 greater than 5 over 8. Compare 22 over 5 and 4 and 8 over 20. Okay, so this fraction here is an improper fraction. An improper fraction. So we must change this to an improper fraction before we can compare. So here is the brackets. So if you remember last week we did the brackets first. So we do 4 times 20 plus 8. So we multiply the 4 by the 20, which is 80. Then we plus the 8. So we have 88 over 20. Okay, so for 22 over 5, all we do is the same kind of thing. Okay, let's look here. 22 times 4 is 88. And then 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, so we need to make this the bottom or the denominator the same as this denominator. Okay, so we have 22 over 5. When we change here, we have 88 over 20. Okay, so both fractions are the same. So 22 over 5 is equal to 4 and 8 over 20. And this is written as 22 over 5 equals 4 and 8 over 20. So now I would like you to do some of the exercises that teacher Sis put onto the internet for you, and we'll see how you do. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I see you later. Okay, bye bye.